Hi there. So in this session I'll be discussing about Ansible conditional based on the variables. You may already aware what is conditional in Ansible. So we have just a condition a parameter called when. So you can apply the condition. Based on the condition applied, the play would execute on the target system, right? So here we'll be specific mainly see what is a boolean value and what is non-boolean values, how it affect our playbook execution and things like that. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. We'll execute some few playbook and we'll understand how it goes. Okay. I'll get my open session and then we'll see. It's going to be a quick one. I'm getting into my playbook directory. So let me make it bigger. It's not that much. Okay. I'll open a playbook variable bool. Let me name it like let's start a simple playbook to check the bool yan. Okay, the host is all, that's fine, and task. Let's define some variables here. So I'll be defining x equal to, I'm going to define false, y equal to true. Let it be like this, and I have a task called name, print the value. I'm gonna call my debug module, just call the message. Okay, so I'm planning to print the value of x and y. Okay, so I'm gonna say the value of x is x and the value of y is y. This is pretty much simple one. So I have an inventory file. I'll remove these things. I'm gonna execute my playbook here. When I inventory var bool. So what do you think the output would be? Let's see what is going on. Oh, it's saying y is undefined. Sorry. Var bool. What I print, sorry. Let me make it here. Replace y. Okay, so you got the value is false and true, right? Notice here I given small letter, but it got true is caps very right. Let me go and do one more thing. So we have a filter called type debug. We can use that. So what it will do is the first time when it runs it gives the false, but at this time it's saying bool. meaning the x is not a string, it's a boolean value. Here still y is a true, it's a kind of string or something else, right? It is not a boolean, we don't know what is true, but we can check what is the type for y as well. So type debug. Let's go ahead and run this playbook again. So yeah, so now we got both our boolean values, right? So you may say, hey, what's the difference on this? I don't think any different, it's true or false, it's a boolean value, right? But I'll show you the difference when you apply some condition over here. When I want to run this play when y is true, I'm gonna say y. When y is true, run this playbook, right? I'm gonna run this. So yeah, executed. Now you got success, but yeah, I'm gonna run here. I'm going to introduce another variable called z is equal to true, the host variable, right? So the same thing I'm going to apply when z is equal to, or let me copy the condition 3 4 4. I'll make it another play here. Replace z. Z. Let me run now. Let's see what is the difference. Yeah, see here. So this time you got z is the bare metal variable. I mean bare variable. It does not saying it's a boolean variable, right? So Ansible, but at this time it's a deprecated value. You cannot use the string or non-boolean value directly to your conditions. So that's where it's saying the warning. So z is the unique code. So we can check what is the type of z again, right? Let's go here and we'll add z is z comma type comma bool, sorry, debug. So what you think it would be? So though we have defined z as a true, right, it does not take it z as a boolean, it gonna take as a unique code. So that's where we got an warning. So the Ansible, the current version I have is Ansible 2.9. so in going version, next version other, which is 2.12, this will be deprecated and this will not be work anymore. So we have to mention that if you are not using the boolean value, so you have to mention bool, right? Let's, before applying that bool, what we do is we'll change our inventory, make it as a boolean variable, nothing but just make it true, capital letter true. Now let's run this. See here, it got bool is a boolean, sorry, z it's considered as boolean, as we have changed the value to the boolean value from non-boolean value, which is the letter was not started with the caps. Now we put it true with the capital T. Now Ansible considering that is as a boolean value. I hope you're getting. Let's go with what we need to achieve here, right? Var bool. So what I should do here, I should apply bool when I do conditions. I don't want to bother about whether I have a small letter or capital letter going forward. I'll be just introduce or the bool condition here, so that will take care of all my work. So this time I don't think I'll get an warning. Yeah, it play got successfully executed, but still it's a unique code. In the condition I have applied bool filter when I call my variable, non-boolean variable. So Ansible understand what is that. So that's all I have in this session. Hope you understand what is boolean value and what is non-boolean value. So how to what filter we need to apply when we use non-boolean values, right? Yeah, thank you. See you again.